Evening, y'all. Chief Prepper here. So, a couple things, real quick. Make sure you're practicing your food preps, as in cycling through cooking your beans and your rice. Uh, Prepper now is sounding the alarm and beating the drum pretty hard. So, here's my take. This should be a really short video. There are two things that we depend upon as Americans to maintain our standard of living, and that goes across all facets of life: petroleum and electricity. Indications are petroleum is going to run short, and that's going to affect everything. Most people my age, if they remember, my friend is a year older than me, didn't remember, but there was rationing every other day, even odd or something in the 70s, where getting gas was a problem. I mean, there were lines 3 and 4 blocks long in California. So that's back when they instituted the 55 mile per hour speed limit, and they optimized vehicle engines to run and be most efficient at 55. For the most part, cars are still optimized for that. So, if you're going to look for something to do as a prepper, keep those two things in mind. All right. What are you going to do? What happens if there's no gas? Or what happens if there is gas, but it's fucking, like down here, it's $3.49 a gallon right now. So if it doubles, $7, or if it's $8 a gallon, it's going to be hard for a lot of people. So you need to consider the consequences of that happening. If you believe Trump, it's going to be cheap soon, and gas prices are coming down. I checked the Strategic Petroleum Reserve. According to Google, it's at 365 million gallons. Capacity is 714 million gallons, and we use roughly 22 million gallons a day. So basically, that's 365, 18 days of fuel, roughly 16, 17, 18 days, if we had to depend upon the SPR only. I realize the SPR can't be shipped everywhere. Right, it's in different places, but different parts of the U.S. get fuel from different places. So you need to consider it. So, me personally, I'm rotating through my fuel in my tank. I'm backfilling it, and then I'm filling up the cans. So hopefully here in about 4 days, I'll have X amount of gallons of fuel on hand. I don't know what I will use it for, to be honest, other than what I use it for now, which is generators and my riding lawnmower and my push mower. But I mean, that's all. That all still needs to happen. But there's a lot of indications because the data centers were going to have blackouts this summer. The grid ain't going to be able to handle it. So what happens? Priority is for me is for my deep freezers and my refrigerators, then fans, then TV, then air conditioning, and my backup power will not power my house AC. So that means me and the wife will probably move to the back porch. So life can get real fucking interesting real fast. Information is knowledge and power. Live a little, prep a lot, share love. G Prepper out.